you want to make big text in Discord? In this video, I will show you how you can make big text in Discord. The first thing you want to do is open up Discord app on your laptop or PC. Now, to create the largest text, you first want to head over to any server. Now, what you want to type in the text box is a hashtag. Once you have typed that, now follow it by a space. Then type in your text. After that, press enter and you will see the largest text. In the same way, if you want slightly smaller heading, you want to use two hashtags followed by a space and then enter your text and press enter. For even smaller heading, you can type in three hashtags, space, your text and press enter. With these tricks, you can make your messages stand out and be more noticeable in any Discord chat or server. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.